There are a couple of different ways to associate sets of rules with your XML documents to help ensure their quality and make sure that they are as error-free as possible. One of those ways is through what's called document type definitions, and that's what we're going to look at in this chapter. Document type definitions provide a way to constrain the content of XML documents so that you can specify what kinds of tags and attributes and other types of content are and are not allowed. So you can specify what kind of content can appear, where it can appear, and what kinds of content tags can have. DTDs can be included directly in an XML file or be declared as an external DTD and then associated with more than one XML document. DTDs are pretty simple to write, but the trade-off is that they're not entirely powerful. There are some basic rules you can lay down, but XML schema, which we'll look at next, is actually a lot more powerful. So why would you use a DTD? Well, if you're taking your XML code and you're giving it to third parties, or you have a couple of complex processes that consume the XML, it's always a good idea to make sure that the XML code is in a proper format. And DTDs help make that possible. So you can give your DTD out to people that are consuming your XML, and when the parser goes to load the XML, it will compare your DTD rule set with the content, so that way errors can be found quickly. Certain kinds of XML tools, like XML editors, can also use DTDs to help you create XML content on the fly so that errors won't be introduced while you're doing the creation process. Okay, so that's what DTDs are. Let's take a look at their syntax and then try our hand at writing one.